Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get Sims 4 on PC. So you need to download Steam first, and I already have Steam so I don't have to download it. I'm just going to wait for it to update. It does this all the time when I open it. It is a free app. It wasn't free before, but now it is, so we are going to just open Steam. Close that, and you are just going to find go to the store. You have to go to the store first. Then here you are going to find The Sims 4, and you're just going to download it, but I already have the game, so just select play game. It is also included with EA Play, and you also get the Get to Work like edition, like the DLC to it, as you can see. And you can also add in like deluxe upgrades bundles here as well. It is quite pricey. There is more here as well. You can press the all to download the rest of the DLCs as well. But you're just basically going to select play game, or if it's not there, add to library and just install it. I already have it, so I don't have to do that anymore. But you do need EA, like the EA app, for it to work as well. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!